Hello everyone, welcome to ACEBOTT's assembly video. Today, we are going to assemble SharkBot. Let's get started. Be careful not to insert the terminals of the line in reverse. Be careful not to apply too much force during installation. When installing the battery, do not install the positive and negative terminals in reverse. Install the screws of the front part first. Finally, install the rear wing and tighten the screws.